Flexbox welcome screen freezing is becoming increasingly common as more developers adopt Flexbox layouts for loading screens and onboarding flows. This frustrating issue can cause users to abandon your application within seconds. There are 4 primary causes of welcome screen freezing. First, CSS Flexbox layout conflicts occur when improper Flex container configurations cause rendering blocks. Second, JavaScript loading dependencies fail when asynchronous resources don't load properly. Third, browser compatibility issues particularly affect older versions of Safari and Internet Explorer. Fourth, memory management problems arise from excessive DOM manipulation during initialization. The first step in fixing these issues is ensuring your CSS Flex container and item properties are correctly configured. Here's the proper structure for a welcome screen container. 2 critical CSS properties can significantly improve performance. The contain property provides better layout isolation, while will change optimizes rendering performance by telling the browser which properties will change. Debugging is crucial for identifying the root cause. Always check your JavaScript console for loading failures and verify that all resources load correctly through network analysis. Browser dev tools can help you identify layout, thrashing, and reflow issues. Look for performance warnings and excessive paint operations that might be causing your welcome screen to freeze. Avoid these common anti-patterns that cause welcome screen issues. Never use height 100% without defining the parent height. Don't mix Flexbox with float or position absolute unnecessarily. The key to preventing welcome screen freezing is implementing defensive CSS and proper loading state management. Always provide fallbacks and never assume perfect loading conditions. By following these guidelines and implementing proper CSS structure, debugging techniques, and defensive coding practices, you can eliminate welcome screen freezing issues and create a smooth user experience. Advanced solutions can transform your welcome screen from a potential failure point into a robust, future-proof user experience. We'll explore cutting-edge techniques that leading companies use to ensure their applications start reliably every time. CSS container queries represent the future of responsive design. Unlike traditional media queries that respond to viewport size, container queries adapt based on the container's dimensions, making welcome screens truly responsive. Service workers provide offline functionality that ensures your welcome screen works even without internet connectivity. They act as a proxy between your application and the network, caching critical resources for instant loading. Server-side rendering delivers pre-rendered welcome screen content, eliminating the blank screen problem entirely. Critical content loads instantly, while JavaScript hydrates the interactive elements in the background. Accessibility ensures your welcome screen works for all users, including those using screen readers or keyboard navigation. ARIA labels and proper focus management create an inclusive experience from the very first interaction. Skeleton loading screens provide immediate visual feedback while content loads. Combined with optimized CSS delivery and timeout fallbacks, they create a smooth, professional loading experience that keeps users engaged. Modern layout strategies combine CSS Grid for primary structure with Flexbox for component-level layouts. This hybrid approach provides the best of both worlds: precise control and flexible responsiveness. Proper error boundaries prevent welcome screen crashes from breaking your entire application. They provide graceful fallbacks and meaningful error messages, maintaining user trust even when things go wrong. Real-world results prove these techniques work. An e-commerce platform reduced welcome screen issues by 89% using skeleton loading and optimized CSS delivery. A banking app achieved 99.7% success rate with hybrid layouts and error boundaries. By implementing these advanced solutions, you create welcome screens that are not just functional today, but ready for tomorrow's challenges. Container queries, service workers, and proper error handling form the foundation of truly robust applications that users can depend on.